Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to build relationships with potential customers. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook relationship building strategies to effectively attract and nurture leads, foster trust, and convert them into loyal customers. Section 1. The importance of building relationships with potential customers. Building strong relationships with potential customers is crucial for any business that wants to achieve sustainable growth and profitability. Here's why. Lead nurturing. By nurturing relationships with potential customers, you guide them through the sales funnel, addressing their concerns, answering their questions, and building trust that leads to conversion. Customer acquisition. Strong relationships increase the likelihood of converting potential customers into paying customers, reducing customer acquisition costs and boosting revenue. Brand loyalty. Nurtured relationships foster brand loyalty and customer retention, encouraging repeat purchases and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Section 2. Understanding Facebook's role in relationship building. Facebook, with its vast user base and diverse demographics, provides an ideal platform for building relationships with potential customers. Direct communication. Facebook allows for direct communication with potential customers through comments, messages, and group interactions. Targeted advertising. Facebook's sophisticated targeting capabilities enable you to reach specific audience segments based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior, ensuring your relationship-building efforts are focused on the most relevant leads. Community engagement. Facebook groups provide a dedicated space for you to interact with potential customers, share valuable content, and foster a sense of community. Content marketing. Facebook offers a variety of content formats, such as blog posts, images, videos, and live streams, enabling you to engage with potential customers and showcase your expertise. Section 3. Creating effective relationship building strategies on Facebook. To create effective relationship building strategies on Facebook, follow these steps. Define your relationship goals. Clearly define your objectives for building relationships with potential customers on Facebook. Are you aiming to generate leads, nurture them through the sales funnel, or increase customer acquisition? Identify your target audience. Determine your ideal customer personas, understanding their interests, demographics, and online behavior. Tailor your relationship-building strategies to resonate with their preferences. Create engaging and valuable content. Share informative, insightful, and engaging content that addresses the needs, interests, and pain points of your target audience. Respond promptly and professionally. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly and professionally. Show that you value their feedback and questions. Encourage user-generated content. Encourage potential customers to share their experiences, photos, and reviews. Build a sense of community and ownership among your audience. Utilize Facebook's engagement tools. Leverage Facebook's engagement features, such as live streams, polls, and Q&A sessions, to create interactive experiences and foster meaningful connections with potential customers. Offer exclusive content or promotions. Provide exclusive content or promotions to potential customers who engage with your brand on Facebook. Make them feel valued and appreciated. Run contests or giveaways. Host contests or giveaways to attract attention, generate excitement, and encourage engagement with your brand. Utilize Facebook lead ads. Leverage Facebook lead ads to capture contact information from interested potential customers, allowing you to nurture them further through email marketing or personalized interactions. Section 4. Optimizing your relationship building efforts. Continuously optimize your relationship building efforts to maximize their impact. Track engagement metrics. Monitor metrics such as post engagement rates, comment counts, message response times, and lead generation rates to assess the effectiveness of your relationship building strategies. Analyze customer sentiment. Analyze the tone of online conversations with potential customers to identify positive and negative perceptions and address any emerging issues promptly. Adapt to evolving trends. Stay updated on emerging trends in relationship marketing and adapt your strategies accordingly. Incorporate new features, experiment with different content formats, and keep your engagement fresh and relevant. Utilize Facebook Insights. Utilize Facebook Insights to gain deeper insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior, enabling you to tailor your relationship building efforts to their preferences. Seek feedback from potential customers. Regularly solicit feedback from potential customers through surveys, polls, or informal discussions to identify areas for improvement and ensure their expectations are being met. Facebook offers a powerful tool for building relationships with potential customers, nurturing leads, and driving business growth. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create effective relationship building strategies, optimize your efforts, and leverage Facebook to cultivate a pipeline of loyal customers that supports your